We're going to run a chi-squared test to see if there's any significant association or trend or relation between the levels of industry and the levels of leadership styles, okay? So let's go ahead and run that first, and we'll look at each one of these options and see which one is correcto. Open up your data. Go to Analyze. Descriptive Statistics. Chi-squareds are called crosstabs in SPSS. Okay, so we're looking at leadership and industry. Doesn't matter which is which, okay? Doesn't matter which one's the row, which one's the column. But we're going to go to statistics. We always want the chi-squared test statistics, and I want you to get the phi and the Kramer's V. The cells. Observed are the real numbers, the counted numbers, and expected are the numbers if the null were true. Okay, say that over and over again. The expected values are if the null is true. And we always want to look at the standardized residuals, because if there is a significant association in there, this kind of indicates where it is. Okay, click OK, click OK. So here's our output. First thing I look at is whether it was significant or not. And it was, right? 0.032. That means there's a significant association in there somewhere. So let's try to figure out where that is. So I'm looking at the standardized residuals. Usually anything above 1.7 or 8 or something like that. Doesn't matter if it's positive or negative. Will show some kind of significant there. There's one. Transactional. They expected 1, they got 3. Here's one. Laissez-faire. They expected 3.5 and they got 7, so that's twice as many. Let's go ahead and look at our options. All right, the first one says twice as many information managers use laissez-faire than expected. So here's information and laissez-faire. Sure enough, there it is right there. They expected 3.5 and they got 7. So that one is true. Let's check the rest of these. Financial managers use transformational 4 times as many. Financial, transformational. Financial and transformational. No, that is not true. They expected 2.4 and they only got 4. That's not 4 times as many. That one's not true. Next one, 5 times as many construction managers use transactional. So there's construction and there's transactional. No, it's just the opposite. They expected 2.7 and they only got 1, so that one's not true. Next one, 3 times as many health managers use participative. Health managers and participative. Ooh, no. So they expected, let me pull this up just a hair. They expected like 1 and they got 0, so that's not true. Last one is half as many financial managers use autocratic leadership. Financial, autocratic. Financial right there, autocratic. No, they expected 3.9, they got 4, that's not half. So it looks like our answer is that first one. Let's click the old check button, shall we? And our answer is correct, right? So that was it. That's how you use a chi-squared table. All right, MGZ out.